With the next Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung is poised to take foldable technology to the next level. Based on recent reports, this might be one of the most intriguing updates to yet. However, a recent leak suggests some significant camera improvements that might turn this foldable into a photographic powerhouse. We've previously heard speculations about a slimmer design, a larger inner screen, and increased durability. According to reports, Samsung is giving the Fold 7 a whopping 200-megapixel main camera, which is a major improvement over its predecessor. Additionally, we may see an enhanced under-display camera for better video calls and selfies. The Z Fold May 7th finally be the foldable camera you've been looking for. With a 200-megapixel sensor, the Fold 7 will be the first Galaxy Z Fold to be sold worldwide, according to Galaxy Club. This is a significant improvement over the Fold 6's 50-megapixel camera. According to this leak, Samsung is finally attempting to break into the flagship camera market with its high-end foldable. It also confirms previous speculations. The camera performance of foldable phones has long trailed below that of conventional flagships like the Galaxy S Ultra series. Samsung is demonstrating with this update that it is committed to erasing the distinction between foldables and conventional flagships. What is the camera configuration of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 likely to be? This is how things may develop if the leaks are true. A 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and finally an under-display camera with an upgraded sensor for greater clarity. Although Samsung first launched this technology with the Fold 3, it hasn't quite achieved flagship standard yet. The under-display camera, which is located under the inner screen, has been one of the weaker features of Samsung's foldables. But reports of an improved sensor might finally result in crisper video calls and clearer selfies, further enhancing the functionality of the inside display. You're not the only one experiencing a sensation of Jew. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, a 200-megapixel foldable, was previously produced by Samsung. The issue is that it was only available in China and South Korea, thus the majority of us never even had the opportunity to test it. However, it seems like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will introduce this camera improvement globally. This implies that more people will finally be able to use a foldable phone with a high megapixel sensor, and if Samsung improves the software and hardware, this might be the greatest camera setup we've ever seen on a foldable phone. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.